Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village, there lived a loving couple who had everything: comfort, wealth, and happiness. Wife was a talented food seller whose meals attracted people from far and wide, and her husband was a respected, hard-working farmer. But despite all their blessings, something was missing: a solar energy system. They dreamed of having steady power like their neighbors. To them, solar wasn't just electricity, it was an investment, a chance for stability and peace. One day, they finally went to the market to price a system. Excited, they bought everything themselves and called an installer to handle the installation. Wanting to save money and avoid being scammed, they insisted on buying the materials on their own. But they made a painful mistake. 2 days after the installation, while they were happily enjoying their new solar system, tragedy struck. The entire building caught fire. The panels, the batteries, the inverter, everything burned. The cause? The inferior materials they had bought on their own. Panicked and confused, they blamed the installer. He was arrested, despite being innocent, and spent 6 years in prison for something he didn't do. Lesson learned: sometimes trying to save money can cost far more than we expect. They should have allowed a certified installer to purchase the right materials and handle the entire setup. This tragedy could have been avoided. Always trust professionals. Solar is an investment. Treat it like one.